Today, we will take you to the birthplace of TiBAO car radiators. The honeycomb structure of the radiator is produced one by one like this. The spacing in rod is no more than 1 mm, allowing the radiator to dispense heat quickly. The radiator mild planes are produced here. Robotic arms are precisely gripping, moving, and placing them, with ever stay smooth and steady. Now, to my right is the furnace brazing process for the radiator. The entire gold is heated evenly in the furnace, boring or joined at one for tight, strong connection. The radiator water chamber is being installed here. Automatic machinery secures each component firmly, ensuring they won't loosen no matter how bumpy the car gets. The production efficiency of TiBAO radiator is amazing. All components are made in the same factory, moving straight from production to assemble in the next workshop. Then, they immediately package and ship. Folding and efficient, seamless production loop.